Welcome to my YouTube channel HTN Maths Academy. Today we will solve a difficult question most students get wrong. We will learn the correct way to solve this problem. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. So the most students this problem can solve by this way. 10 divide 2 into 1 plus 4 equal to 5. So 10 divide 2 into 5 equal to 10. So 10 divided by 10 equal to 1. But this way is wrong. Correct way of this problem. So 10 divide 2 into 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 10 divide this bracket for multiply. So 2 multiply 5. So use PEMDAS rule. From left to right. So 10 divide 2 equal to 5. So multiply 5. 5 5s are 25. So the correct answer is 25. Thank you for watching.